Hello everyone, welcome to the part 2 of our makeover for our vintage Tressie growing hair doll. So what I did in this video is actually to give her a good hair spa. I shampooed her hair, applied some conditioner, and also tried to remove some frizzy strands in her hair. And also I tried to rub off some dirt and stains on her body. So as you can see, after this video, her body or her arms, her face actually lightened up. So we still have those stains in her arms and in her face. So what I did is to apply some 12% hydrogen peroxide in her face and also especially a generous amount in her arms and in her legs, actually the whole body. So after this, I wrap her in a clear plastic and put her under the sun. So better watch out for our part 3 for the after video of our vintage Tressie doll. Thank you for watching.